everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. I'm here today on our 2021 Inspire Me Digital Planner on a Samsung Galaxy tablet, an S7 Plus that comes with the S Pen. This is the way you want to go when you're doing digital planning on Android OS. And it's been so popular on our store, half of our sales on planners have been through the Android OS system. So today I'm just going to show you and walk through the index of this digital planner. On every single page of this planner, in the bottom left corner, you're going to find a question mark cloud. And anytime that you tap on that, you're going to go to these helpful pages. And the first one you land on is the index. This is an index of the original pages that come with this planner, and they are linked. So when you first get this planner, it's a good idea to start here so that you can kind of see how pages are organized in your planner. I am in the Xodo app, that's Xodo. And if I tap on the little, we could call it a waffle icon, I call it waffle on GoodNotes, it shows me thumbnails. It takes a while for them to draw here. It shows me thumbnails of my entire Inspire Me planner. It's beautiful and bright. So this is a quick way to see everything at a glance. Or you can walk through the index, and we've got links here. So if I type on cover, it's going to take me to the cover. I can tap on welcome. It goes to our welcome page. Next is going to be our year calendar, where we see the year at a glance with everything linked from the month names to see grids. The little dingbats take us to our Inspire Me planning pages. Next, we're going to go to our categories cloud, which has all of the access you need to your pre-designed templates. These three clouds at the top take you to the front cover, the year calendar at a glance, and the categories cloud, which gives you access again to all the templates, the blank pages, and the custom template pages where you can design your own templates and then store them here on your planner to be used anywhere in your planner. Great thing about a digital planner is you can add as many pages as you want. So after those initial 4 pages are going to come our 2020 November and December. This is released in late October of 2020. So if you're buying it at that time, you're going to probably get started planning with November 2020. And then we've also got December 2020. Now you can only access those on these 2 months. The tabs show up here at the top, or on the year at a glance calendar page. But on any other main page, once you jump into 2021, those tabs are going to be gone. You're not going to need to think about 2020 anymore. So in our index, we had the 2020 November 1st, and then you're going to come across 2020 December. Now we start in with our 12 months of the year for 2021. If I click on the name January, I see this landing page that has our bright original artwork and inspiring quotes. That's the same landing page you would get whenever you tap on any of these large month name tabs. This is reminiscent of those paper planners that have nice big dividers with an inspiring artwork and inspiring quote. But in our index, you'll have the name, which will take you to the landing page for that month. You have our Inspire Me page. You have the month overview grid. And then if you click on the weeks at a glance, you come to the first week of that month's week at a glance. So you can swipe through them like so. At the beginning and ending of months, there's also some extra area that you can write down some notes about thankful things or stuff that's going well. At the top of each week at a glance, you can easily jump back to either that month's Inspire Me page or that month's overview grid. Just easy access to maneuver all around this wonderful planner. Just like these reference calendars on each of the grids can take you forward or backward just through the month grids. Now, if we get back to our index, we were going through all 12 months of 2021. So I think you're smart enough that pretty soon you're going to see how this is organized. So after our 12 months, we come to our categories sections. These can also be accessed through these smaller round icons here on the outside edge. We have categories for track, plan, cook, read, pin, make, celebrate, think, buy, go, watch, and then 2 custom category sections where you can store whatever you need to. Maybe it's for work or maybe it's for pets. You can decide what to store there. These, of course, on the index are linked, so if I needed to go to any one of those, we call them landing pages. And if you look here at the thumbnails, in your original planner, you're going to have a category section page, which tells you they're coming. And then these are like the dividers for each of these categories. And then after those landing pages, from track through all the categories through the 2 bonus custom ones, you're going to have template pages. And I make these dividers so that it's real easy when you're looking at thumbnails, just to hopefully keep track of where you are within this very large 175 page planner. But it's the nice thing about digital is that you don't have all these papers you're trying to flip through, and you can store so much information. So after those landing pages, you're going to come across our 29 different pre-designed templates, and we've put them by category. Of course, you can take any of these templates and put them anywhere in your planner. So we've got a template for habits, habit tracker, where you can write down the habits and mark where you did for the month. A medical template for family members, reasons for going to visit the doctor, maybe medicine dosage, keeping track. And these can be stored in your track category section. Lastly, the template for track is our contact template, which is not necessarily like an address book, but more for when you're working on projects or organization meetings and you have certain people you've got to track and you've got to keep track of, I keep saying track, where you have to, keep tabs on what you've talked about, when you talked about, or when you're meeting next. So after those 3 templates, we have our planning category templates. This is the today template, which if you like to go hour by hour, minute by minute to plan out your day, you can use this template and of course, copy it and put it anywhere you want. You probably want to put your today templates in with the month sections rather than in a category section. We also have a home cleaning template, a project template. In our cook category templates, we have meal week at a glance, where you can plan out your whole week for what your family might be going to eat. And then you can keep these templates and even reuse them again and again, season after season. Then you don't have to think about what weeks worked best for your family. You can plan out your whole month. We also have a recipe template. I like to use this when I'm cooking and I'm just throwing in items and I just want to quickly jot down how much I did put in of something. In our read category, we've got a Bible study template, a notes template, and a reading log template that you can track what you're reading and things you might want to read. Next, in our pin category, we have a research template, which you can add images into your planner and take notes of what you're researching, or just different interests and keep track of things that you might find on the internet that you want to go back later and remember what you learned. In our make category, we have a DIY template, which has a dot grid for sketching out plans, or a craft template, which has a grid for maybe more detailed and precise sketches. Then we have a celebrate section of templates. We have a simple party planning template, a detailed party planning template, and just for brainstorming ideas for parties. Next in the planner, we have stored your journal template, your dreams template, or just your ideas template if you just want to brainstorm. Here we have our templates for the buy category. And the first one is a monthly budget. I'm pretty sure lots of people like to use the monthly budget. And you can use the tools in Xodo for writing your own entries. Let's say that we want to, you can adjust the pen, and I can write in amounts. For my budget, and then I can duplicate this page, store it in whatever month it's for. So then each month I'm able to go in and write the amounts that I did spend for the month and keep track of it and store these anywhere in the planner. After our budget template, we have a shop template that helps us organize by store and what things cost. We have a wish list template where we can put people's names in here for who we're shopping for gifts for birthdays or Christmas, and even drop in images. Next are go templates. We have a travel template for planning trips, an event template for organizing events like concerts or plays you might be going to, if you have tickets, and who's going and what you're wearing. And then we have our templates that are in our watch category. We have a learn template where we can keep track of things that we've watched to learn. And we also have a fun template for movies and videos, even have little emojis where we can rate them if we want to. So if I head back to the index, that just completes all of our templates there in our planner. What's stored next is our blank templates. We have 6 of those, where you can use these tools in the Xodo app to create your own templates, label them, and when you label them, you will have access to them in the categories cloud. That way, if I create a template for work, let's say, I label it here. I will also label it here on my template page. After I've written it on there, I can choose to flatten it. Now it's a part of my page. And every time I want to access that template, I click on the work template and I go right to it. So we have 6 blank templates. After those 6 blank templates come more bonus pages. We have a dot page, we have a line page, we have a grid page, and then we have a checklist page. The great thing about a digital planner is that you can add these pages anywhere in your planner, and you don't have to carry around a big, thick 175 page binder. Of course, once you add more and more pages in the digital planner, it doesn't get any thicker. And then you've got one pen that accesses all the colors of the rainbow, plus highlighters. After those bonus pages, you come to the help page, which starts with our index. And then we've got a couple of pages of frequently asked questions. And then there'll be pages for adding pages into your planner. And of course, in the Xodo app, you can always see all of your pages as well when you tap on this bottom left waffle icon. Also, when you add a page in Xodo, I can also keep track of it with my outline, or I can even bookmark special pages and it will keep track of it as a list right there. We'll have more videos on that for another day. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and learning more about the 2021 Inspire Me Digital Planner. Please comment, please ask us questions, email us, and like and subscribe our channel so you can keep up to date on everything with digital planning. Be blessed and have a great day.